Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I want to tell you about this amazing skirt. This athletic skirt is top notch. It was exactly what I needed it to be. I was looking for something that I could comfortably wear for hours at a time. I needed it to be comfortable and lightweight and breathable, and this is exactly what I got. I love everything about it. I love these little pockets that it's got in it. It's got two on the sides, and it's got one in the back to hold your cell phone. So you can literally use this when you exercise, and it'll hold some money. It'll hold your cell phone in these deep side pockets. And I love the design. Look how cute those little flowers are. It matches several different things in my closet, and I love that because I can dress it up or dress it down depending on what I'm doing for the day. It is true to size. I wear an extra large. That's what I got, and it's not too tight and it's not too loose. It fits perfectly. Now here is the kicker. It has built-in shorts, and I love these shorts. They are not too tight. They are the perfect length that they don't ride up. They are fantastic. I could spend forever in those breathable shorts. I also love that it has the drawstring there so you can tighten it around your waist if you want. And look how deep these pockets are. You can definitely fit your cell phone in there or whatever else you need. Here is the back pocket. It's a little smaller, but it'd be perfect for money, a debit card, or whatever you need if you don't want to carry around a bag. So this skirt is everything that I wanted it to be. I know I'm going to spend many comfortable hours enjoying this skirt. And that's my point of view.